So what we have here, what I'm showing you today, is our soldered and sealed wiring harness that we use. They're factory built, supplied to us. It's a completely sealed wiring harness that we install on our bodies to the front corner lights. They run all the way back here to the back. There's all lead down into this black junction box here, which is a standard transport junction box with all the color-coded bus bar in it, so anybody knows what colors need to go to what terminal for hooking up. From that box, the wires run through to each side of the truck. On the back here, one side is yellow for the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you'll see over there it's green for the right-hand side, and that's just a given. Right is green and left is yellow. And again, it's all soldered and sealed harnesses. They plug into the back of our LED lighting system that we provide, and it's all standard equipment. The lights come with a standard market plug-in, so you can take any light off the shelf on the market and plug it in as a replacement if you need to do so. That's one advantage we have. Some of the competition in the market, they have unique soldered wiring harnesses and lights, but you cannot interchange them with any other make and brand of lights. So we made it universal, make it more user-friendly for the customers to maintain it.